In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit members in Microsoft Planner. If you need to add someone new to a plan or remove someone who no longer needs access, Microsoft Planner makes that process fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to manage the member list from your plan board so you can keep your workspace up to date and make sure the right people are involved. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to the specific plan board you want to update. Make sure you're inside the correct plan before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple boards for different teams or projects. This helps prevent updating the wrong plan by mistake. Once you're on the plan board, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. This is where Planner lets you manage who has access to the plan. If you're trying to bring in a new team member, this is the area you'll use to invite them. It's also the place where you can review current members. After selecting Share, you can search for a person to add them to the plan. Type in their name or email address in the search field, then choose the correct person from the results. Be careful to select the right contact, especially if several people have similar names in your organization. Once selected, they'll be added to the plan and will be able to collaborate based on your organization's permissions. If instead you want to remove someone who is already part of the plan, look for the list of existing members. Next to the member you want to remove, click the three dots. This opens additional options for that person. From there, choose the option to remove them from the plan. This is useful when someone changes roles, leaves a project, or simply no longer needs access. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to double check your member list after making changes so you can confirm that the right people were added or removed. Keeping membership accurate helps avoid confusion, reduces unnecessary notifications, and keeps collaboration focused. That's all it takes to edit members in Microsoft Planner. Open your plan board, click Share, search to add a new member, or use the three dots next to an existing member to remove them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.